be missing you, love. Yeah, I'll be missing you, love. And the good times that we had.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be filming for you a after dark cleaning routine. So if you're looking for some cleaning motivation, just stay tuned. I had a super busy day. I was doing a lot of laundry and then my husband was sick. So I made some chicken noodle soup for dinner and then I started to get sick as well. This video is in collab with London, with Life with London. You guys gonna love her channel. She is a wife, a mother, and a YouTube vlogger. She does a lot of family vlogs, so I know for sure you guys will enjoy her channel. She is also based in Georgia, just like me. So I will make sure to leave her link down in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check her out. I was super busy on this day. I did tons of laundry. I cleaned. I washed my daughter's hair and that took a while in itself. So I was exhausted by this point. I could feel myself getting sick. And then I got a call that my kids was going to go to school the next day. But then on that Tuesday, they would not have any school. And then it would not be any school until further notice. So they would do a lot of schooling online and stuff like that. So luckily, I only had to get 1 day worth of school clothes out. But comment down below, do your kids still have school? As exhausted as I was, I try to make sure that I go to sleep with a clean kitchen. So even if I was tired, I made sure to clean my kitchen so like that it would set me off with a good start the next day.
I've been missing you, love. All the good times that we had. I've been missing you, love. I've been missing you and your love, your love, your love. I don't wanna waste your time. I don't wanna change your mind. Are you better off alone? Girl, you stole my heart and I'm losing you. I'm losing you. I'm still missing you, love. Yeah, I'm still missing you, love. All the good times that we had.
So I love having a dishwasher and I mainly put most of my dishes in the dishwasher. But the one thing I don't put in the dishwasher is knives and certain containers and also my pots and pans.
Oh, baby, I'm still missing you. Still missing you, missing you. Why are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is troubling you?
If my kids are home, they do chores. If they don't have any homework, they always help me clean the kitchen. So one of my sons was upstairs folding some laundry, and then I called my daughter downstairs to come help me wipe down the table. That's actually one of her favorite jobs. She loves wiping down the tables and wiping down the counters, but since I had already wiped down the counters, she came downstairs and wiped down the table, and for some reason she just had to take a really long time because according to her it was extra dirty.
Let your guard down, baby. This is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
While my middle child was folding his laundry, my oldest son came downstairs to sweep the floors for me. I actually do not like sweeping. That's one of the jobs I do not like. Just like I don't like to unload the dishwasher, even though that's a job that I have to do if I like to put dishes in the dishwasher in the first place.
Never been before.
I said the last drink was the last drink.
Right here, I'm getting ready to make some tea for my husband and I, and then I'm gonna add some honey to it. My throat was on fire. I woke up fine, and I thought I had a little tickle in my throat, and it was the allergies because, you guys, the pollen outside is getting rough out there. It is tough. So I knew I was getting sick, but then by the end of the day, my throat was on fire, and my husband was already sick. So I was making some tea for us, and this tea does a pretty good job.
Wanna get closer, it's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place. Cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let.
This is my favorite part about cleaning the kitchen, is cleaning out my sink. I don't know why. I find it so satisfying.
I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place. Cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over. Yeah. We
You
could
can tell it is almost spring and summer is coming because this was 7 o'clock at night and it was still some light outside.
If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste so precious time.
At night, sometimes I diffuse some essential oils or I burn some candles, but since the smell wasn't strong in my kitchen, had it been strong and smelled like onions, I would be burning some candles. But today I was going to diffuse some oils.
Say it again. Only you can make my world go black. Say you love me, then you take it back.
This weekend, we barely left the house. My husband was sick anyway, so we were binge watching some shows. And my daughter has this thing where she brings a million toys to the living room. So my living room was a little messier than usual. So I had folded some clothes and I gave it to my daughter so she could go ahead and put it away. But if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel a ton.
Your time is up. Damage done and now it's stuck. 'Cause it's too late. You roll the dice and now you have to pay the price. Yeah. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry. You're gonna be the lonely one. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry. You're gonna be the lonely one. Say it again, say it again. You're saying you feel bad, so say it again. Only you can do that. My heart was open wide. I could feel it breaking deep inside. 'Cause it's too late. Your time is up.
For some reason, my pillows always end up on the floor anyway, and I always have to end up fixing it, but I just love the way they look on my couch. So once I fix the pillows, all I think I have to do in here is vacuum.
And now you have to pay the price. Oh, I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry. You're gonna be the lonely one. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry. You're gonna be the lonely one. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry. You're gonna be the lonely one. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry. I'm not even sorry. You're gonna be the lonely one.
I'm gonna trust my intuitions. I'm gonna take a deeper breath. I'm gonna think about how some things are best.
That will be all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this After Dark Clean with me, and don't forget to go over and check out London's channel. I will make sure to leave her channel link down in the description box, and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.
Like strangers.